Join me as I take on the challenge of cutting my fuel costs by 30% using some hidden secrets I just discovered. Hi, I'm Leslie Walker. Cutting fuel costs is a crucial aspect of managing our everyday expenses, and it's amazing how much of a difference it can make in our budgets. Fuel costs can add up quickly, and finding ways to reduce them can be a game changer for many of us. Many people struggle to make ends meet, and high fuel costs only make things worse. The importance of finding hidden secrets to save money on fuel cannot be overstated. With the cost of fuel rising all the time, it's more important than ever to find ways to cut back on our fuel consumption. By making a few simple changes to our daily habits, we can save a significant amount of money on fuel. This is especially essential for those who have to commute long distances to work or school. Rising fuel prices have become a major concern for many individuals and families. As fuel prices continue to rise, it's becoming increasingly difficult for people to afford the fuel they need. This can have a significant impact on our daily lives, from commuting to work to taking road trips. Many people are feeling the pinch of high fuel costs, and it's affecting their ability to afford other essential items. Fuel prices are at an all-time high, and it's not just drivers who are feeling the impact. Families are having to make tough choices about how to allocate their budgets, and many are having to cut back on non-essential items just to make ends meet. The rising cost of fuel is also having a significant impact on businesses, particularly those that rely heavily on transportation. The rising fuel prices are also affecting the overall economy, as people have less money to spend on other things. This can have a ripple effect, leading to a slowdown in economic growth. As fuel prices continue to rise, it's essential to find ways to reduce our fuel consumption. By making a few simple changes to our daily habits, we can save money on fuel and help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Many people are looking for ways to reduce their fuel consumption, but they don't know where to start. There are many simple tips and tricks that can help, from driving more efficiently to maintaining our vehicles properly. By taking a few simple steps, we can significantly reduce our fuel consumption and save money on our fuel bills. Regular maintenance is key to improving fuel efficiency, and it's essential to keep our vehicles in good condition. Simple things like checking tire pressure and changing the oil regularly can make a big difference. Additionally, driving habits such as accelerating gradually and maintaining a constant speed can also improve fuel efficiency. By making a few simple changes to our driving habits, we can save money on fuel and reduce our environmental impact. There are also many new technologies that can help us reduce our fuel consumption. From fuel-efficient vehicles to innovative apps that help us optimize our routes, there are many tools available to help us save money on fuel. By taking advantage of these technologies, we can significantly reduce our fuel consumption and save money on our fuel bills. The most effective way to cut fuel costs is to use a combination of these methods. By making a few simple changes to our daily habits and taking advantage of new technologies, we can save a significant amount of money on fuel. One of the most effective hidden secrets for cutting fuel costs is to use the right type of fuel for our vehicles. Using the right type of fuel can make a big difference in our fuel efficiency, and it's essential to check our owner's manual to see what type of fuel is recommended. Another effective secret is to remove any extra weight from our vehicles, as this can also improve fuel efficiency. By taking a few simple steps, we can significantly reduce our fuel consumption and save money on our fuel bills. By cutting our fuel costs by 30%, we can make a significant impact on our budgets. This can be achieved by making a few simple changes to our daily habits and taking advantage of new technologies. To recap, we've discussed the importance of finding hidden secrets to save money on fuel, the impact of rising fuel prices, and various methods to reduce fuel consumption. We've also explored the most effective hidden secrets for cutting fuel costs by 30%, and how these secrets can make a significant difference in our budgets. By applying these secrets, we can save a significant amount of money on fuel and make a positive impact on our finances. Join the conversation and share your thoughts. Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Q's Fleet News, the place where you get your fleet news in 7 minutes. I'm Leslie Walker. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.